Good morning, students. Two special trigonometrical limits. See, today we can discuss the trigonometric. In case of limits, we can discuss only polynomial. Previous exercise. That previous exercise, they using only polynomial. In this case, we can use the trigonometry functions. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. Suppose you can substitute theta is equal to 0, that is sin 0 by 0. Sin 0 by 0 means sin 0 is 0, so 0 by 0, that is indeterminate form. Okay, if indeterminate form, we get the value is 1. How to get means, that is the proof is there. That proof is not necessary for you. Even though if you are coming to school means we can discuss about how to derive the proof. But nowadays you can learn the results. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. And next one, limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta by theta equal to 0. Since you can put theta is equal to 0 means cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So 1 by 0 is 0. Okay. This type of proofs we can using the sandwich theorem. Sandwich theorem already I told you know that blue color, violet color and navy blue color curves. If curve is in the form of less than, that limit is also less than. Okay. So anyway you can learn the result. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. Limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta by theta equal to 0. And some important result. Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Okay. Next, limit x tends to 0, a power x. Anything power 0 is 1. So a power x minus 1 by x log a. Okay. See. Limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x, log 1 plus x by x equal to 1. Some more result. Limit x tends to 0, sin inverse of x by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, tan inverse of x by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to infinity, log 1 plus 1 by x whole power x is equal to e. Is equal to e. E means exponential functions. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is also equal to e. E means e power x. No. E means e power 1. Limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus k by x whole power x equal to e power k. This is some important result of the limits functions. You can learn this. See first one. Yes, I can highlight the red color. That's the important results. First one, second one, Third one, these are inverse trigonometry functions. See the example sum. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, 1 plus sin x whole power 2 cosecant x. Let us assume sin x equal to 1 by y. Then 1 plus sin x, 2 cosecant x is there. If x tends to 0 means y tends to, what is y? Y is equal to 1 by sin x. If x tends to 0 means 1 by sin 0. 1 by 0 means is infinity. So y tends to infinity. 1 by 0 form is infinity only. So here you have to change limit y tends to infinity. 1 plus 1 by y whole power 2y. That means limit y tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by y whole power y whole square, 2 can be written as. This is e, so you can put means e square. See, sin x equal to 1 by y, cosecant x is y. What is the reason? Cosecant x means 1 by sin x. The next problem. Limit x tends to infinity, x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 whole power x. See, it can be written as x plus 2 can be written as x minus 2 plus 4. What is the reason? 4 minus 2, 2 only. So, if we subtract this means x minus 2 by x minus 2. X minus 2 by x minus 2 is 1. Do you understand or not? See, x minus 2 plus 4, you can separate these fractions. X minus 2 by x minus 2 is 1. So 1 plus 4 by x minus 2. This x minus x can be written as x minus 2 plus 2. Now we can take, let y is equal to x minus 2. Then x tends to infinity means y tends to infinity. What is the reason? Infinity minus 2 is also infinity. Okay, now limit x tends to infinity. Then you can interchange the y means y tends to infinity. 1 plus 4y, y plus 2. Then a power m into a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. So y plus 2 you have to change whole power y into whole power 2. That's 1 plus 4 by y is common limits. That is this is equal to e power 4 into 1 e power 4. See step by step. X plus 2, x minus 2 plus 4. Separate this. X minus 2 by x minus 2 is 1. 1 plus this. Let us take the assume y is equal to x minus 2. That limit also changed. Substitute this in terms of y, then we get the answer. Okay. Next one, limit x tends to pi by 4. 4 root 2 minus cos x plus sin x whole power 5. 1 minus sin 2x. See, 4 root 2 cos x. 4 root means 2 square into 2 power half. then 2 power 5 by 2 is also sin x plus cos x whole power 5 can be written as whole square by 5 by 2. What is the reason? 2 2's are cancelled. 1 minus sin 2x. So 2 power 5 by 2 cos x plus sin x means if a plus b whole square formula you can use cos square x plus sin square x 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x means sin 2x. Formula, that's a trigonometry formula. 2 sin x cos x equal to sin 2x. So it can be written as 1 plus sin 2x whole power 1 by 2. Okay. Yes. This form can be changed like that. Then we can take this y. If I put pi by 4 means we get sin pi by 2. 2 into pi by 4 sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So limit y tends to 2. This is the x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a form. So n into a power n minus 1. See 1 plus sin 2x. How to get 1 plus sin 2x? A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Cos x plus sin x whole square means cos square x plus sin square x. 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. That's a trigonometry formula. Already you know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, like that means 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. This only very new for you. Okay, after complete these chapters, we are going to volume 1 trigonometry. Then only can understand the trigonometry formula. Now we can introduce the trigonometry formula. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Cos square x plus sin x square x is 1. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Okay. Take y is equal to 1 plus sin 2x. Then x tends to pi by means 1 plus sin 2 into pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2, pi by 4 means pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 means sin 90 is 1. Using x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Limit s in terms of x is y is there. In terms of n, pi by 2 is there. In terms of a, 2 is there. Using this, get the answer. Okay. This is a very different sum, then only can show again by again. See step by step. 4 root 2. 4 means 2 square. 2 power half. 2 plus 1 by 2. Take the common means 2 2's are 4 plus 1 by 2. That's a 5 by 2. This also whole power 5 can be written as whole square whole power 5 by 2. If a 2 to cancel means we get whole power 5. Okay. See some example from limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x whole power 7. 7x can be written as whole power x whole power 7. That is a whole power 7. Say limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x whole power x is e. So e power 7 is e power 7. See, seven x into 7 whole power mn means m into n. That next problem, 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3x. So 1 plus x whole power 1 by x whole power 3. That also e. You can see the result, previous result. E power 1 by 3. So this. The next problem. Limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus k by x power m by x. We can take 1 by x is equal to t. Then x tends to t means 1 by x, 1 by infinity is 0. So t tends to 0. So we can get m by n. That is m into k. So limit x tends to infinity can change the limit t tends to 0, 1 plus kt whole power mt. You can substitute t tends to 0 means 1 to the power 0. So 1. See, three x, that is 1 by x whole power 1 by 3, that x tends to this formula. This one is k by x whole power m by x. 1 by x equal to t means x tends to infinity means t tends to 1 by infinity 0. It's a very easy method.